An old female pheasant peacefully passed recently on the east bank of Newt Pan. We moved her about a metre away from the water and set up a camera trap to record how nature would clean up after one of its own. Would it be insects? Would it be corvids like crows or magpies? Would it be a bird of prey like a buzzard or the scavenger red kite? Would it be a fox? We did not know. What's your guess? Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. We did not see that coming. Badger as part of the clean-up crew. We wish you well forever, Lady Pheasant, wherever you are, and we wish everything concerning you well forever too.
All 'cause I love you when it rains, all the shadows